So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape.
I'm just gonna start off by splitting off my hair in half, and I'm just gonna section this to the side. It's better to work in sections because today I want to use a lot of flexi rods. Most of the time, like if I'm just doing an everyday flexi set, I'll do about 4 flexi rods on each side, minimum 4 to 6, but today we're gonna try to stuff as much as we can. So I'm gonna take this and comb out my hair, of course. I'm gonna split this section again, split away my front portion here, and I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm going to be taking this Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless Healing Dry Oil. This is from OG. I'll spray this, focusing on my ends because I don't want my ends to be dry. You don't need a lot. I don't want my weave to be weighed down, but I also want my curls to be like fluffy and flowy and juicy, and dry weave just ain't cute. My flat iron right here. This one is by Janali. I got this when I was in high school, so it's been a while. I need a new flat iron, but it'll do the job. I'm just going to curl my hair first, and then I'm going to put the flexi rod on. So hopefully you guys can understand this. I'm not a hairstylist, so all I'm going to do is straighten a good inch of this and then start curling away from my face. So I kind of just pull it down, turn it a little bit, pull it down, turn it a little bit more, keep going. So once I get to the end, I do like to hold it for a little bit, and this is the curl. I don't like to go to the top too much because it gives me Shirley Temple curls that are really, really tight, and we're not going for that. Favorite flexi rods are gonna be these orange ones right here because they're just like your average starter ones. I find that the purple ones can be a little bit too big sometimes, so I'm gonna start with the orange at the bottom, but we are gonna be using purples as well. If I'm going downward, that means I'm gonna go backwards, and then if I have it this way, that means I'm going backwards this way, if that makes any sense. So I'm holding this like this, and I'm gonna put it back here because I'm rolling it backwards. When I do a lot of flexi rods, it's always big and crazy like this. I can kind of control it when I have a little bit, but usually they're gonna be, some of them gonna be droopy. And pull it forward in front of my face, kind of like bangs. I'm gonna straighten this like I usually do, and then flip my hair back. And I'm starting from the bottom and twirling the end around it and rolling it diagonally upwards. But I don't want to roll this all the way up, if that makes sense. Usually I would put a satin scarf around my head and go to bed, but I have satin pillowcases, so literally I'm just gonna go to sleep and I'll show you guys what they look like when I undo them. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I feel sick as hell, so sorry if I look terrible. I'm gonna go ahead and start unraveling these in the same direction that I curled them. Did this part off camera, but all I did was like take sections of my curls and brush them out with like a bristle brush and section them out myself. This is how the curls turn sponge out. I really like it. I don't usually always get perfect hair, but when I do my hair like this, it usually comes out great. So I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and pin this section back. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did this side going towards my face to make a little bit more volume. So I hope this helped y'all out. If you're trying out Flexi rods for the first time, or you just never have luck doing them very well, this is how I usually do my Flexi rods. I feel like shit, so I'm about to go take some medicine. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.